Hello, beautiful people. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make easy, fast commissions from Clickbank without having a website or any kind of opt-in pages. So we're gonna move to the app that I'm recommending right now is My Lead Gen Secret. All you have to do is sign up over here and start receiving 100 leads every day. Cold leads, 100 cold leads every day. They keep on adding up. At the moment, I've been a member for 1 year. I have around I don't know, almost. Hey, wait a second. My leads. How can I check? All right, let me just check here. How many leads do I have? Do I have freaking second? There's supposed to be a number around here. How many leads I have? My leads. Where are my leads? Well, I got. Uh, oh yeah, I can show you from here. I'm sorry about this. I'm really sorry about this. I said it's gonna be fast, and apparently I am not making it fast. I have 81,300 leads so far. Now, what does this app do? As I've mentioned several times in my previous videos, but this video is for people who haven't been on my channel before, that this app not only gives you 100 leads every day, but it also saves you from investing into autoresponders. It has its own mailing system right over here. We're on the mailing system where you can compose and send your Clickbank offers to these leads every single day. 81,000 emails shoot out in one click. This is amazing. If I go to, take you guys to the Clickbank page completely, just uh, just to show you what I've done so far. I have like $111 so far. This is my total commission in the past 2 months. Yes, this is not much, but remember, I not only promote Clickbank products, but I also promote this system as well. So my focus is more in promoting this My Leads Gen Secret system over. I mean, my priority is promoting the system over Clickbank products because this is something that people don't think a lot about investing into. It's not an expensive system, and people just like to check it out. And when they sign up, they like what they see, and they keep on using it. If I go to affiliate section, I'll show you that I am getting recurring commissions every day because of this system, because I've promoted this system, and I'm making money from not only Clickbank but My Lead Gen Secret as well. So if you want to learn more about My Lead Gen Secret, there's a link at the top right corner of this video, I guess, and you can just click and watch the entire series of my journey using this system. And I hope you'll find it useful, beneficial for your future uh, affiliate marketing career. So please do that. And with that, I'll end the video. Thank you very much. Take care of yourselves and others around you. Bye bye.